box we're constructing to put the batteries in.
So you...
This is
28. Then you're gonna get 20 on it. Look, 28.
28.
And then...
That's our high side.
Yeah, so you need...
We're gonna go 20 this way.
Yeah.
And we're just gonna cut it, and then we'll cut the angle after, right?
Right.
Okay. Did I lose the pen again? No. Where's my pen? I'm really bad with a pen.
Sometimes.
And the screws, usually I like to pre-drill with a little drill and then screw in because it doesn't split the wood and everything, but I don't think we have a drill.
No.
Alright, let's see how they line up. Very nice. Okay. Now we need to go back to our measurements.
Yes.
We're going to cut the back.
Yeah, that's really good.
You like it? Yeah, it's a beautiful box. The sun is going down, and we just completed the battery and the power center part of the system. We already have people charging up things. And we'll be back for more. Okay, now I gotta come down. You hold that? Very important. They show you when it is okay to use power. And when the batteries are low, then you should not use power. Green light is good. Use power. Yellow light, you can use power, but use less power. Red. If the red light is blinking, soon the system will shut down. That is to protect the battery. Whenever it turns red, you should stop using power and wait for a sunny day until it turns yellow again, or even green would be better. Meter. See how it goes.
Then tonight we're gonna have a big soccer again.
Yeah. With lights.
So right now we are laying everything out, lining up all the holes before we connect everything permanently to see which ones we can use that are already on the bars and which ones we're going to have to drill. Because today we got to drill.
Yeah. And we're gonna let it to work.
Soon this will be up on the roof.
Yeah.
Over there.
No se sabe. No se sabe. What the time is it do by dip and choke? Where else is it by dip? By dip.
Really lost, yeah.
Yeah, move on, no more. That's why you can go.
Okay, you ready? Go turn the switch on. I heard a beep. Anyone else hear a beep?
Yeah.
Solar amps
Yeah.
is the second one. 13.8 amps.
Yes.
That's good.
Yeah, it is good.
12.6 volts. The volts went up. 13.7 amps.
Yeah, well, this one.
Now we're 12.7 volts.
That's a nice.
Hey.
I took him a nice shot, right?
Get a shot of me and my buddies here.
Okay.
Okay, good.
Hey, yeah.
Things are going to change.